Romania's Ministry of Defense has announced the arrival of 3 F-16 Fighting Falcon aircraft at the 71st General Emanuel Ionescu Air Base in Câmpia Turzii. These planes are part of a larger delivery of 32 F-16s purchased from Norway, further enhancing Romania's efforts to modernize its air force. With this new addition, the 48th Fighter Squadron now operates 15 F-16s obtained from Norway. The transition to the F-16 represents a major upgrade for Romania's air capabilities. The F-16 offers more advanced avionics, greater payload capacity, and improved maneuverability compared to the MiG-21 LanceR, which had been in service since the late 1990s. These new fighters will strengthen Romania's defense and contribute to NATO's permanent combat service, air police operations, ensuring the protection of Romanian and NATO airspace during peacetime and crises. This acquisition is part of a contract signed with Norway in November 2022, valued at €388 million. In addition to the aircraft, the deal includes logistical support and a package of complementary goods and services. These F-16s are expected to remain in service for at least a decade, with Romania eventually transitioning to more advanced fifth-generation fighters like the F-35. Norway retired its F-16 fleet in January 2022, replacing them with F-35s. The 32 F-16s sold to Romania are seen as a capability transfer between NATO allies, with the aircraft undergoing servicing to meet operational standards. The first squadron of these F-16s is stationed at Câmpia Turzii, and a second squadron will be based at Mihail Kogalniceanu Air Base. Romania's F-16 fleet now includes aircraft purchased from Portugal, and by 2025, Romania plans to have a total of 51 F-16s, forming 3 squadrons. The F-16's multi-role capabilities allow it to perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, equipped with advanced radar and a range of weapons, including AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. Romania has also established the European F-16 Training Center at the 86th Air Base in collaboration with Lockheed Martin, Romania, and the Netherlands. The center will train Romanian pilots, and additional aircraft have been contributed by the Netherlands for this purpose. This acquisition is a key part of Romania's defense modernization, helping the country align its air force with NATO standards and improving its operational readiness. The F-16s will be a vital asset in securing Romanian and NATO airspace for years to come.